A very good morning to all of you. Today we are celebrating the birthday of two of our students from primary section. One of them is Riddhi Parmar from second B. About her, very active, sincere, and intelligent. A second one is Rudra Goyal from first C. Is also very studious, very active, and very sincere boy. On their day, let's wish them a very happy birthday by chanting the mantra.
दीर्घायु loudly सुयश भवतु जीवेम शरः शतम् शुभ जन्मदिनं तुभ्यं शुभ जन्मदिनं तुभ्यं शुभ जन्मदिने तव है सकलं सफलं भूयात् सकलं च शुभं भूयात् श्री राम जय राम
Thank you. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all present here. I, Nigakshita from class 8A, am here to present a thought. In Bhagavad Gita, chapter 3, verse 8, it is stated that perform your obligatory duties because action is indeed better than inaction. I repeat, perform your obligatory duties because action is indeed better than inaction. Thank you and have a glorious day.
Good morning, everyone. Today we are presenting news headlines before you.
National News. PM Modi Tamil Nadu visit. PM inspect execution of MS Anil Madurai. Rajya Sabha election 2024. BJP candidate Harsh Mahajan wins Himachal seat. In the leadership of Anand Ambani, director on the boards of RIL and Reliance Foundation, has announced the launch of Dukaan the Star of the Forest program and Amila initiative to focus on rescue, treatment and care of rehabilitation of injured, abused and beaten animals both in India and abroad.
International news. Ex-member of Germany Red Army faction arrested after decades of hiding. Active domestic robots get record batch of crop seed.
Sports news. Ranji Trophy Shreya Iyer Washington Sundar to lead Mumbai Tamil Nadu semi-final. PM Modi wishes India captain Mohammad Shami speedy recovery after sleep injury. India won by 5 wickets in the day 4 test match against England.
Weather. Maximum 26 degrees Celsius, minimum 12 degrees Celsius. Thank you and have a nice day.
रात थी फिर भी आग लगी, चिंगारी से आग लगी, वो रहा मगनदस अपनी धुन में, पढ़ते पढ़ते आग लगी. 6 a.m. and the alarm is, some meditation with the alarm is, and someone is back to the table even before the sunlight hits. सूरज कब सर से निकल गया पता नहीं, दोपहर कब दिन में बदल गया पता नहीं, पता है कुछ तारीखों का पता, मगर खुद का पता नहीं. कहीं शाम में आसमान को तकती 2 आटे हैं जो फिलहाल होते हैं क्योंकि दिन भर कागजों पे भागे हैं. कभी जोश में कभी थके हुए है फिलहाल सभी लगे हुए. हाथों पे फॉर्मूलाज की मेहंदी है, दीवारों पे कागज लगे हुए, कुछ पे लिखे सपने हैं, कुछ पे पढ़ाई. एंड इट गोज लाइक HHENI. गैलरी फिल्ड विद नोट्स, फोन कभी सेम कभी बर्निंग आउट. Oh, there is a notification, storage space running out. कभी चैर, कभी कंबल में कैद. One more time revision, let's go ahead. घर का खाना, माँ का प्यार है साथ. Good night, टाइम से सो जाना, सर पे रखा फिर हाथ. A moment to think what's right, what's wrong, and be proud of the way you handle yourself. Too delicate yet too strong. बहुत महंगे हैं सपने हमारे, and we have to buy them all. यही है हमारी छोटी सी दुनिया. There's not so sticky notes on the wall. तो कहानी थोड़ी लंबी है, ये कुछ मोड़ उस कहानी का हिस्सा, और कहानी के मेन किरदार हम हैं, और ये सपने हमारा हिस्सा. अब कुछ हिस्से पूरे होंगे, कुछ अधूरे रह जाएंगे, पर जो रुकेंगे नहीं वही डूब जाएंगे. एक पत्ते के गिर जाने से पूरी दाल नहीं मुरझा जाती. ये समझना होगा कि एक हिस्से के खत्म होने से जिंदगी खत्म नहीं हो पाती. तो गिल्ड कंपैरिजन में खुद को मारना मत, बड़ा गेम खेलना है ना, छोटी मोटी हार से हारना मत. और एक बात है कि उम्मीद ना बहुत खतरनाक चीज है. हर बार रखना मुश्किल होती है, पर जो उस हार में भी उम्मीद रख लेता है ना, एक दिन उसके कदमों में मंजिल होती है. सो ऑल द बेस्ट एंड कीप द होप अलाइव. जिन मुश्किलों में मुस्कुराना होना, उन मुश्किलों में मुस्कुराना धर्म है. फिर मिलेंगे, अपना ख्याल रखना.
श्री राम.
National Science Day. Every year on February 28, we celebrate the National Science Day to promote the honor of discovery of the Raman effect by the Indian scientist and physicist C.V. Raman, who won the Nobel Prize for Physics for his discovery. It is celebrated for raising awareness about the importance of science and its role in improving the lives of the people. The theme of the National Science Day for 2024 is Indigenous Technologies for Viksit Bharat, emphasizing the importance of homegrown innovations in the India's scientific progress and development. Thank you and have a scientific day.
What is important? The standard of living life or the living the life with the correct standard? I am again in front of you to have some very motivational speech, or we can say the summary of a poem which is written by a great poet, Robert Frost. The life always gives us two paths. We have to decide one of them. But what I personally believe, if we will choose a one and we will go ahead, then after some time we will realize that we are not in a correct path. So, children, what I want to say to you, whatever the time, whatever the path the life is giving us, we have to choose them very wisely, because the life will not give you another chance and the time will fly. Same for the exams, we are getting so many motivational poems and speeches from the skies, but the decision is in our hand. So don't waste the time, choose the path that will lead you in a correct direction and gives you the great success. So you have to do your best in your future. Every day is very special for us and we have to use it in a very, very particular way. This is only my message from the class. For your future exams, you have to be ready and just follow your teachers, your mentor, whatever they are suggesting you in the class, and do it as it is. Thank you so much for listening me patiently, and all the best for your exams.
The lot many things have already been told by the students of class 8th and even the class teacher. Because today it is our day of meditation, and meditation is not about just closing the eyes and taking the deep breaths. This day is about introspecting ourselves. When we close our eyes, it means we can't see anything around, but we just try to see within ourselves that what we have done so far. I just wanted to start with a short story of a young talented girl. She was so talented that she can do anything in the world. She has got all the capabilities. So one day, under the moon, she sat in front of a canvas, a blank white canvas, and started stroking the brush of colors, and every stroke of hers was made with a perfection. And after a few hours, she made a masterpiece. Even she knows that yes, I have made a magical masterpiece. Nobody can ignore watching it. When she was proudly staring the canvas with loads of colors, She thought, I have wasted 2 to 3 hours making this masterpiece when I can do anything in the world. I have got all the capabilities, I have got every energy, I have got every talent in the world. Why should I wasting time sitting here stroking brushes on the canvas? So she decided to move out, to do something new, to do something more interesting, to do something which is more popular to the world. So she went outside and she ran and ran and ran and ran and ran. And after 35 years, she found herself still running, not doing anything, just in search of something interesting. She thought that she has got all the capabilities, she has thought she has got all the talents, but couldn't find that thing. Now she is no more a girl. Then she thought for a while and she started crying. That before 35 years she started painting, and if she would have continued painting, she would have become a good artist, a popular artist. But now, after 35 odd years, I am still running, I am still searching, I am still trying to find out new things. But I am not getting anything. Children, this is not the story of that girl. This is the story of everyone, even those who are standing here. Whatever work we have started, we should focus on that only. If we are a teacher, we should focus on being a teacher. We should not think about anything else, that if I would have become a businessman, I would have done this thing or that thing. When you are a student, you should focus more on your studies, not on, okay, if I would have become a YouTube influencer, or if I would have become a content writer on a TikTok or Reels or the Shorts, I would have earned so much money. No. Whatever work you are doing right now, just do it with the perfection. And that will make your talent popular. You have got loads of energy. Don't think about the options which are available. Just think what you are doing right now and how you can do it with the perfection. That is more important. You have got loads of energy, but what you are doing, you are wasting your energy by not focusing on the core competency which you are having, but you are wasting your energy in what? Breaking the switches, molding the blades of the fan, kicking the doors of the classrooms. Is that will make your talent more popular? I don't think so. This is a sheer wastage of your energy and your talent. So children, just try to focus on your core. Okay, what is your competency? What best I can do? And you should continue improving, continue practicing the same thing again and again, so that you can reach the highest level of perfection. So now sit properly, close your eyes, and meditation position. Sit properly now. just introspect yourself, see within yourself what I can do best. Just one simple, single thing which I can do in the best and biggest manner. And try to cultivate that talent, try to cultivate that competency so that you can reach the perfection. And do not waste your energy in some unproductive activities which is not only damaging the property of the school, but also it is damaging your own personal character. Take deep breaths without any noise. Inhale all the positivities which is around you, and try to exhale all negativities which is there in your body in form of black carbon. Inhale slowly and deeply. Exhale. Now very slowly we have to chant Om mantra for 3 times. So just inhale. Yes, start. Om. Once again, inhale.